As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two portable gas grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 BOO-BFPM-LI8 and the Lifemaster Stainless Steel Gas Grill B0C784LNY1. Want to help me figure out which is better?
Sure, let's dive in. Okay, so the Charbroil has a smaller cooking area, only 200 square inches compared to the Lifemaster's 275. That's a decent difference if you're grilling for more people.
Yeah, I noticed that too. But the Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking, which they say eliminates flare-ups and cooks food evenly. Is that just marketing hype?
Well, Times does have a good rating, 4.5 stars with tons of reviews. People seem to like it. The Lifemaster has a slightly higher rating, 4.6, but fewer reviews overall. It boasts 2 burners at 10,000 BTU each, whereas the Charbroil only has 1 burner at 9,500 BTU. So the Lifemaster might heat up faster and give you more control.
Good point about the burners. What about portability? They both claim to be portable.
The Charbroil is lighter, weighing in at 20 pounds, while the Lifemaster is a bit heavier at 21 pounds. Dimensions-wise, they're fairly similar, so carrying them shouldn't be too different. The Lifemaster has foldable legs, which is pretty convenient for setting it up on uneven surfaces.
That is a good feature. What's the deal with the materials? I see the Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates, and the Lifemaster is all stainless steel.
Stainless steel is generally more durable and rust-resistant. The porcelain coating on the Charbroil might chip over time. Plus, the Lifemaster has a stainless steel firebox and lid, which should also contribute to its longevity. And it has a windproof lid.
Okay, so it sounds like the Lifemaster is winning in terms of cooking area, heating power, and materials.
It does seem that way. However, the Charbroil has a temperature gauge built into the lid, which the Lifemaster newer also has. The Charbroil is also cheaper, usually around $148. The Lifemaster is currently unavailable, so it's hard to say what its price would be.
Right, availability is a factor too. Maybe I'll keep an eye on the Lifemaster and see if it comes back in stock, but the Charbroil seems like a solid option if I need something now. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.